This video will familiarize you with the basic functions of the navigation, radio, media, and telephone. To power up the infotainment system, push down on the scroll wheel. Depending on your vehicle options, you may have a control dial or a control dial with a touchpad. To navigate using the touchpad, you can right and swipe with your finger in the desired direction. To make selections, click down on the touchpad. To navigate using the control dial, you can rotate left and right, toggle forwards or backwards, and left or right. To make selections, click down. Navigation, radio, media, and telephone can all be accessed by either pushing the buttons on the center console or by making selections using the control dial. To access the radio, either push radio or toggle the control dial forward, select and click radio. To change between FM, AM, and Sirius XM, or to select the preset screen, push radio or from the main audio screen, highlight and click on radio. Selecting HD Radio FM will bring you to the main FM audio screen, displaying all currently available stations in your area. Toggle left or right to change the station. If you wish to view all available stations without changing the current station, click down and you will be presented with a list of all currently available stations. Toggle up or down to find a station. Click down to make your selection. To toggle between FM, AM, and Sirius from the main audio screen, pull the control dial backwards and select band. Toggle between Sirius XM, HD Radio FM, or HD Radio AM, and click down to make your selection. To create a personal list of preset stations, first have the station of choice playing. Pull back on the control dial and select Preset. Toggle down and click Save Current Station or Channel. Choose between 100 preset locations and click down. To access navigation, either press Nav on the center console or push the control dial forward, select and click Nav. Toggle to select destination and click down. Click Address Entry and follow the step-by-step instructions, first making sure you have the correct state or province selected. To connect your phone, push Tell on the center console or push the control wheel forward, select and click on Phone. To connect a new phone, select and click Connect Device. Click on Search for Phones. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled before you click Start Search. Once you see your phone displayed, click to select it. You will be asked to confirm a 6-digit passkey on your phone. Select Pair. On the display, you will also be asked to confirm Select Yes. Once the phone has been paired, you may be asked if you want all contacts to be downloaded to the car. If you encounter no Bluetooth device found, you can click Search again to start over. Alternatively, you can select Search using phone. With this option, go into your Bluetooth settings, look for AML Bluetooth and select it. You will then see a pairing request with a 6-digit code. On the display, you will also be asked to confirm. Select Yes. To accept an incoming call, on the lower right of the steering wheel, click the phone icon. On the left side of the steering wheel, you will find the button to end or decline calls. When you're on a call, use the scroll wheel on the steering wheel or on the center console to adjust call volume. To connect Bluetooth audio, push Media on the center console or push the control wheel forward. Select and click on Media. Rotate the control wheel through the different media options until you see Bluetooth audio and click it. Select and click Options. Select and click Bluetooth audio devices. Scroll down to select and click your phone. There are two ways to control volume. The scroll wheel, which is on the left of the steering wheel. Roll it up or down to adjust volume. Pressing it will mute whichever audio mode is currently selected. At the front of the center console, the same power button is also a volume scroll wheel. You can roll it up or down to control volume. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the functions of your Aston Martin navigation, radio, media, and telephone.